face, babes. It's your girl Judy Monroe, but you already know. And if you don't, now you do, because it's always about face, babe. I'm gonna put it in your face every time, okay? But today, I'm basically gonna start the week in the life vlog off today. It's pretty much a slow week right now though, but I do have to go back home, so I guess I kind of started off with that. So today, it looked like it was gonna rain. I just went and got some personal stuff, and I'm making me some soup because it's like a rainy, cloudy day, so why not soup it out? Make me some neckbone soup. I'll make a little time lapse so y'all can see how that soup turned out, because you know, the girl be in the kitchen whipping it up sometimes, but y'all, I'm so excited. Happy 2023 to you guys. I hope all of y'all inspirational goals come true. Like, I'm really semi-prepared for this year, y'all. I got me a marketer now. Like, I got a lot of new stuff planned, so hopefully I can stay up on top of everything and get this content out for y'all, as well as business content, because I'm really excited, y'all. I'm really excited to take my business and my whole journey to a new level, and I'm excited to let it grow with y'all, you know, vlogging it, just letting y'all see my experience, see my growth, or whatever. And thank y'all to the ones who has been tuning in, as well as any new followers that I might get in the future. But yeah, let's get into this week in the life. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you all. I'm gonna try to get this content out, but you know, help me get to my 1,000 subscribers. Like, that's how I'm gonna make sure good content out. If y'all help me, you know how it go. I ain't even gotta explain it, because y'all know how it go. Like, I need these views, I need these watch time hours. So if y'all like these videos and y'all want to see more, just make sure y'all go and support the girl. But tune in, because I'm about to get started with the weekend. So right now, I'm basically just meal prepping. I have my meat that is what is they called, braised, or whatever. So right here, I'm just going in and showing y'all what seasonings I like to use. You know, your girl gotta have the Tony seasoning, a little Creole seasoning, and mix it up, baby. You can never go wrong with that. Mix it up. That's my fave. We're gonna brown it. So once I get all that brown, I'm gonna start on my soup. Okay, babe, so I'm finished browning my meat, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my broth and stuff in and prep my vegetables. But in between time, you're gonna get a time lapse, because I like to multitask, and I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up. I'm refilling my plug-in sprays because I like my house to smell real good, and plus I have to work out in the morning, so I figure why not go ahead and start cleaning up. I usually like to clean up while I cook anyways, because I'm a little OCD. But we're not going to tell nobody about that. We're going to go ahead and keep working. And I guess I'll get back to y'all in the morning, because I'm pretty much doing everything tonight. Fluffing out my pillows, sweeping and mopping. You know, the whole 9 yards to avoid it in the morning. So I'll get back to y'all in the evening. Good morning, come out face babes. It's your girl Judy Monroe, but you already know, and I'm back. It's the morning time. I messed up, y'all. I did not wake up in time to go to the park like I had planned on, so I pretty much just ended up going to the gym for a little bit. I should have recorded myself in there, but I didn't think about it. I'm gonna get better with this, y'all. But if y'all want to see like a week in a life of me like working out and going to work, I gotta get in the habit first, because I'm trying. Like, I want that to be my lifestyle, my new aesthetic, but the waking up part super early is like bittersweet for me. That's something I do want to work on, because that is like one of my biggest goals right now. Not gonna talk this whole thing. I'm basically about to get ready. I have some stuff I'm gonna do at the shop today. I think I got my product displays, and a few more items. So I guess I'll do that today. Like I said, this week has been pretty slow. So I'll probably do another one maybe next week or something, or maybe at the end of the month, just so y'all can see like a busy week. This is my slow week, so enjoy. I will see y'all. So as you can see right now, I'm going in with my daytime routine. I'm brushing my teeth, I'm washing my face with my favorite products. Now, if you don't wear SPF, don't talk to me. I'm not playing. Like, that's the main thing you should be focused on, especially after cleaning your skin, just to protect you for the day. So if you do need or want a detailed video on how I keep my skin clean and what products I use, I would love to get that out for you as well. But I'm not gonna hold y'all up and talk your ears off. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair so we can get finished and start what we need to get done for today. Okay, babes, as you can see, I'm done with my little morning routine. My hair is, it's done. It's giving a little bit, you know, it's giving what it's gonna give today, because I'm not really in I get tired of curling my hair. Like, that's why I'm always going for curly hair, because I'm not the one that just want to sit there and curly hair all day. So I guess I'm about to put on my clothes though, and then okay, babes, I'm back and I'm in the truck. I'm on my way to get some food. I'm actually at Timmy Chan's right now, so I can get me some food, and then I'm gonna head back to the shop. I'm really mad because I done had to come to 2 Jimmy Chan's because the other one down this. I had to come down Gessner, but either way, it's not too bad because they ain't nothing but like 10 minutes apart, so I guess that's the good part. But I'm about to go to the shop, and I will get back to y'all when I'm at the shop and I got my food. How about that? Been watching this for a long. You're officially about face babe now, and you part of the fan club, so go ahead and hit that bell, like and subscribe so you can get notification about all things about face, all things XJM. I pretty much got everything did in the shop that I had to get done today. So my time is winding down here. I'm gonna pretty much let y'all see how it looks outside. It's nighttime right now, so I've been here all day. So I'm about to finish cleaning up, tidying up the shop. I think I have like 1 or 2 appointments tomorrow, nothing major, and then I have to travel to Nacogdoches. So I will be vlogging me going to Nacogdoches and doing my clients, and then coming back for the weekend. And Saturday I have a lot of content to shoot, so I don't know. But I said I was gonna post this Thursday, so I'm pretty much gonna stop it with me probably going to Nac and coming back. I don't know, we gonna see, because I'm supposed to post this Thursday. But if y'all want another weekend of life where it's actually busy, let me know, and I will be happy to do that for y'all. But yeah, room tour or another weekend of life, let me know which one y'all want to see next. Comment, don't be shy, I come in back. Good morning, about face babes. It's your girl Jimmy Bro, and I'm back. Today is another day, brand new day, and I have to go to Nacogdoches today. I had people call me this morning want some appointments, but baby, I'm really supposed to be waiting on my product. My inventory is supposed to come today, so I really didn't try to fill up Nac too much. But so I basically filled up tomorrow and like half of the day Friday. So yeah, I'm waiting on product today, so I pretty much stayed in the house. They say they're supposed to come by the end of the day. I should leave here probably like 4 and get to Nac probably at like 7. I might leave it like 5. I said that wrong. I'm gonna leave it like 5 and get to Nac like 7. And I have a client, that'll be my first client in Nac. And then, yeah, I'm probably gonna relax after that. So we just gonna do a time lapse, you know what I mean? I'm a time lapse queen. But yeah, so that's the plan for today. I will definitely be recording me unpackaging my inventory and stuff when it gets here. If it comes today, when it comes today. I ain't gonna say yeah, because I'm saying when, because y'all, I'm ready for this revamp. Like, new logo, new everything. Like, and this one is the one I love it. It's so pretty, and I'm just so excited about it. So yeah, basically right now I'm about to start on me some breakfast because I'm hungry, and I just got up. I really slept late because I know if they would have delivered the package, it would have went to the package thing, and then I just would have had to go get it. Unless it was really big, then they just would have knocked on the door. But they ain't knocked on the door this morning, so or send me no text message saying I have a package in the locker. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start breaking and just wait on them to come. Pretty much just making these croissants right now. I just got out the shower and I did my face routine, brushed my teeth, you know, normal. And I'm about to make me some of these and put them in the oven so I can finish breakfast real quick. And then I'm gonna chill around and wait for my product.
Sometimes we have to do things we hate in order for us to survive.
Okay, babe, so I finally got my product in. That's what I pretty much was sitting around catching a rerun on Sisters while I waited. It just came in, so I'm gonna do a time lapse of me kind of doing inventory or whatever. I basically normally just like I usually talk to my vendor on my phone, y'all. So I'm recording on my iPad. So if the quality not as good, that's because it's not on a good phone. So I am using my iPad right now to record. I guess I really should have used my MacBook, but I didn't think about it and I'm already recording, so oh well, we're just gonna finish it up. But I am about to go through the product and just make sure everything is there. Like I said, I do talk to my vendor on my phone, so I'm going through my phone to count and make sure that each thing is there with that amount of items. You know how it goes. So that's pretty much what I'm about to do right now. And I'm gonna write it down on paper, and then I usually just transfer what I write on paper into my iPad, onto my in my little log file or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
You testify against her, and we will let you walk.
And you know what? I'm not even gonna punish y'all and make y'all look at this because it can get a little bit long. So what I'm gonna do is fast forward. So I'll probably do a time lapse. But yeah, I just have to vent real quick. Walmart pissed me the off. I ain't gonna cuss, but they pissed me the off. Because my coffee pot went out today. And y'all, I bought that coffee pot like months ago. And I only used it a few times because I've really been lazy. But when I do use it, I be wanting my coffee. Like, so what? And it goes out today. And I take it back and they like, you have a receipt, baby. Who keep receipts for months? I keep business receipts. That wasn't a business transaction, okay? No, I don't have no receipts. So now they're talking about, since it's over 90 days that I gotta look on my, they can't pull it up on my card. But the main thing is, look, y'all, that's why I don't do Walmart. That's why I shop at Target. And I should have did Target, but Walmart had some snacks, quote unquote, that I wanted to add to my cart that month. And so I just ended up going to Walmart, and the coffee pot was cheaper. But I guess that's why you don't get the cheaper items. You get what's good, because that's why I'm on this predicament right now. So now basically I'm having to go back and look at my transactions on my other card just to see when I bought the coffee pot. They talking about they can look it up in. Like, it's just ghetto. It's getting very much ghetto. It's getting very much stay in your own lane, shop at Target. Like, what? But we're gonna go ahead and start to do a little time lapse on this. Like, y'all, I don't know why my TV started being mad rude and just started getting louder and louder, but what? Why? However, I'm finishing up inventory. As you can see, I'm multitasking right now. Like I said, my life revolves literally around multitasking. So I'm doing inventory, recording it on file, as well as making a future YouTube video. Look at me being let go. So right now I'm almost out of traffic, I hope. But I've been in traffic for like 30 minutes. It's like thicker than me at that. Like, traffic is crazy right now. But I should be in Nac by 8:45, and I have a client. So if you're hearing this, my client was at 7:30 and I got pushed back because it's a long story. I don't even want to talk about it at this point. But yes, So I'm behind on my client, but I'm on my way to Nacogdoches now. Y'all see, every 5 minutes I gotta stop. I need to try to get out in the other lane. But all right, let me try to get out of this traffic. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get in that, or before I get to that. So made it to Nac, and I just have one client for tonight, and that's a refill, and she usually does the Monroe, which is a volume whiskey. And everybody is custom, nobody's the same. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna seal the deal, you already know, with the top tier super bonder mixed with the Superior Mix by XJM. But I mean, get into it, it's an essential. Good morning, babes. As you can see, I'm getting my morning ritual.
Hello.
Good morning. Thank you.
There you go. Have a good day.
Thank you. You as well. You can see, I'm looking a little rough this morning. My legs coming up. But that's all right. Your girl get a touch up today, so we right on time. But I got a busy day today. Oh no, it ain't really coming up like that, but it is. But I have a busy day today. I have to work from 7 to like 8. So pretty much all day, y'all. This skin is skinning. Do you see this? Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Book you an appointment because I got you, baby. You need good skin. I can make you feel comfortable in it. The one you have, and enhance it. You see, don't play with me. Okay, let's get my phone. Okay, perfect. Okay, babes, it's like, what, 11:01 right now. And, well, it just turned 11:02. But, I don't look a little rough today. But, it's 11:02. I just finished my client. I was supposed to have another client, but she rescheduled for in the morning. So right now I had a little break, so it turned out really good for me because that gives me the time to go ahead and edit the video so I can get it out for you all. And I'm really excited because I feel like I'm going to be really consistent with this, and I feel like that's a good thing for me. Like, that's what I've been hoping on. So look at me. Look at me, y'all, on my little journey, you know, doing what I said I'm gonna do, accomplishing my goals. Like, and look at y'all supporting me. Like, what? I love y'all for that. Like, don't play with it, don't play with it. Okay, babes, it's a wrap. We're all done. This is my last client, and y'all done stuck beside the girl. It's the end of my mini weekend of life. These are my 3 days. It's Tuesday through Thursday. I'll pick you back up with the weekend in a life, maybe for my next week video or the week after. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank y'all for tuning in. And book the looks, honey, because I got y'all.